Right now, you're probably re-explaining who you are to Claude in every single chat. Stop doing that. In the next few minutes, you'll build a permanent AI brain that already knows everything before you even ask. This is lesson 4 of the Claude Masterclass, and today we are covering projects. We touched on projects briefly in the previous lessons. Today we are going much deeper. A project is made up of two things working together. First, a knowledge base of files that Claude can pull from any time. Second, a set of instructions that Claude follows in every chat inside that project. Once both are set up, every new conversation in the project starts with all of that context already loaded. One important detail, knowledge base files apply automatically across the entire project. But anything you say inside one specific chat does not carry over to a different chat in the same project unless you add it to the knowledge base. Keep that in mind as we build. Let's create a project by clicking Projects in the sidebar. Click New Project, then give it a specific name, something you'll still recognize 3 months from now. I'm calling mine Client Onboarding SOP. On the right side, you'll see the Knowledge Base panel. That's where your files go. I'm uploading 3 real documents into the knowledge base: my client onboarding checklist, my standard pricing and scope document, and a past client FAQ with common questions I get asked. Quick note if you're following along, each file must be under 30 megabytes, and there's no real limit to how many files you can add. As your knowledge base grows, Claude automatically expands how it searches through those files. You'll also see an option here to schedule recurring and repetitive tasks. We don't need that right now. For the second half, instructions, click the plus icon under instructions and add this: you are an onboarding assistant. Answer only using the 3 uploaded documents. If something isn't covered in them, say so instead of guessing. Keep your answers short and direct. That last line is important. It prevents Claude from making up answers that aren't actually in your documents. Now it's time to test the Q&A assistant we just built. Type this into the project chat: what's included in the standard onboarding package. Then press enter. Watch what happens. Claude pulls the exact answer directly from the checklist document. It's not guessing. Now I'll close the project and open it again. The previous chat is gone and we're starting a brand new conversation. Let's ask a completely different question. A client is asking for a rush turnaround. What should I quote them? Again, the answer comes straight from the pricing document. No re-uploading files, no re-explaining who I am. Now, let's try a trick question. What's Claude's refund policy? This is where the instructions do their job. Claude tells me that information isn't covered in the uploaded documents instead of making something up. And that's a real working Q&A assistant built in under 5 minutes. A knowledge base plus instructions equals a permanent AI brain for anything you do repeatedly. Client work, research, even personal projects. This was the final video in the first module of the Claude Masterclass. The module was called Getting Started and it included 4 lessons. In the next module, we'll cover 3 more videos where we'll take a deep dive into skills, MCP and connectors in Claude. So keep watching. If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.